What is going on, guys? There's no intro right now. We're just gonna be goofing around. It's gonna be a short video, or it's just gonna be literally a short. Depends on how long. Watch Daisy come back again. I was looking. Oh, there's Daisy.
Okay, at least Daisy's all the way over there this time.
So, who should we get? Which color, man?
Whatever I bounce to.
Blue's coming. Are you dead?
Holy shit!
Yeah, you're dead, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna die.
Hold on, wait. I'll reset map.
Yeah, too late, man. I'm fucked. Holy shit. Uh-oh. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Oh, get away!
Yeah, he's dead.
I need some insane ass fucking luck to get out of here, dude.
I'll keep resetting map if you want.
Yeah, it's not gonna work anymore, man. I'm practically boned.
Oh no, when you shut up.
Maybe not. I'm gonna make it! I just completely booked it back. I'm alive. Holy shit.
Are any monsters at you?
No.
Alright, good, because I just reset map like 30 times just so you can get out.
Holy fuck.
All I hear is sped up you screaming and swearing. It was looking funny.
Yeah, it was bad.
Diddy. Oh, I'm dead. Toxic gunner, please. Toxic gunner, please. Don't hit that. Oh, I'm dead. I got Pixel. And blue guy. I didn't think running that fast would kill me.
Getting close to me.
Oh, I just juked him. Which one is? Where did they all go? Wait, where is Daisy?
Volcano. Uh-oh. Daisy, get away!
Oh, I'm dead. Oh wait, no, Pixel move.
You might not make it in, man. I'm just telling you right now.
Oh, I see. I see that.
Yeah, I don't think you're making it in.
Wait! No, Daisy! Stop, Daisy. Daisy, stop. Daisy, stop. Oh, shoot! Weave? Oh! Bad GDG. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, Daisy's gone.
Daisy, don't kill me. Ah!
You made it! Uh-oh. I can't stop bouncing.
Anything for content at this point, bro. Hi there. Oh, I was trying to tag you, but then you somehow jumped over. Oh, I'm wall running! Wasn't that so sick, bro? Look. Ah! How are you faster on the ice? So basically, this video is just gonna be us goofing around, unedited.
Alright.
The only parts I'm editing is like the intro and outro. Oh, my fault, Daisy. My fault. Oh! I'm gone. Ah! Oh, he's glitching into there, bro. Oh! No, blue guy's gonna kill me.
You alive, bro?
Hi, blue guy. You can't get me. Daisy, no!
Set the map.
No, Daisy! You can't. I'm the server leader. You can't reset. I'm server leader. I got pistol and toxic gunner. Oh, weave? Oh, Daisy's gonna kill me.